Hey everybody, it's me Geoffrey from Huawei. I hope you all stay safe, fit and healthy. Here I got with me one of the latest devices of Huawei that can truly change the perspective of a smartphone in the market.
The P40 Pro comes with the all-new overflow display with 6.58-inch and 90Hz refresh rate that truly opens new horizons to enjoy your gaming and multitasking. In addition to breathtaking design, it also comes with a quad Leica camera at the back with 50-megapixel main lens, 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and 3D time-of-flight sensor for better portrait photos. And you can capture stunning pictures with different proposition thanks to the unique 50x digital zoom, AI golden snap, and the handheld night mode. The P40 Pro is a true companion throughout the whole day. And if you are looking for something more that can make your life much easier, here I introduce to you the Watch GT2. The Watch GT2 can help you have a healthier and more efficient lifestyle. Once you connect your Watch GT2 to your phone through the Huawei Health App, you can see all the workout records, heart rate monitor data, and much more. It can also help you understand your sleeping pattern through the Huawei True Sleep 3.5. And if you are on the go, you can have your favorite playlist downloaded on your Watch GT2 and even answer calls directly. So guys, don't miss the chance and come to Shoutout Digi Store to experience the amazing P40 Pro and the Watch GT2. Thanks for watching. Peace out.